Everyday English Essentials.
Summer's here. It feels nice, but a bit boring. I don't know what to do for the next 2 months.
Summer's for fun. Here's my plan: sleep in, eat ice cream, watch TV, and then more sleep.
So your entire investment is in your bed and your belly?
I call it the art of relaxed living.
Hello youngsters. First day of vacation and already a secret meeting. Why the serious faces?
Hello Uncle Bear. We're wondering what fun and useful things to do this summer.
I vote for doing absolutely nothing. A break is a break.
Rest is important, but if you finish summer without learning anything, you'll regret it. I have a list, 5 little but great things to make the most of vacation. Want to hear?
Like a summer survival guide.
Clothes. 5 things kids should learn during vacation. Each one's fun and helps you grow.
Tell us, please, Uncle Bear.
The first thing is manage your time each day, right?
Exactly. Summer is long. If you don't use your time well, it slips by and nothing gets done.
But summer break is for breaking, isn't it? Why make a plan?
You still relax, but with a little structure you can have fun, learn something new, and never feel bored. For example, get up early, read for 30 minutes, exercise for 10. In the afternoon, help your parents, then hang out with friends.
Like a summer timetable we create ourselves?
Exactly. Each morning, spend 5 minutes asking. 1. What do I want to do today? 2. What should I tackle first? 3. Am I leaving time to rest and have fun?
If I say something like, sleep until 10, eat 2 bowls of sweet soup, play games for 3 hours, do I lose points for that?
Then Uncle will award you the laziness medal.
As long as you're happy, healthy, and learn something, fine. But balance is best: play, study, help out, rest. Look! I drew these. Who wants to try planning each day?
Me. I'll fill it out tonight.
Should eat ice cream go on the priority list?
Put it under reward after studying, okay?
I'll spend the morning reading, the afternoon helping Mom cook, and the evening playing.
And now, sleeping all morning, afternoon, decide what to eat for dinner.
So Ricky's schedule has just 2 activities, eating and sleeping.
Eating, sleeping, and playing are important, but don't forget summer tip number 2, learn to help your parents.
But Mom always says, let me do it, it's faster. Once I mopped the floor it almost swept the cat's tail.
Poor Ricky's cat must have been shocked.
Housework doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is the effort. Just one small chore each day, folding clothes, washing dishes, watering plants, already means a lot.
At home I rotate chores. Today I help cook, tomorrow I tidy my room. Mom says I'm learning to share the load.
Then, I'll try setting the table every night, even though I often drop the spoons.
Start with the simplest job. When you help your mom, she's not just less tired, she's happier because she has a teammate.
How about a good deed notebook for summer? Every time we finish a chore, we draw a smiley face.
If I earn 10 smiley faces, will you reward me with ice cream, Uncle?
Deal. But the smiley faces have to be big, and well earned.
Another rule, Uncle, it's summer, we'd rather play than read.
Reading is fun too. I read a chapter a day. Finishing the story feels like I've just been on an adventure.
Exactly, Belle. Books are like secret doors that take you to new lands, no backpack needed.
I read too, but only superhero comics.
Superhero comics only have like 3 lines of dialogue per chapter, right?
Comics are fine if the story's good. The key is to set aside a little reading time every day. Each page is a small step that helps you understand life better.
How about we start a 1 page a day club? Every night we message each other about what we read.
Okay. And can I give a short summary instead of the whole story? I'm a bit lazy.
As long as you read regularly, even 1 page, that's wonderful. Summer isn't just for resting, it's for growing bit by bit.
Uncle Bear, we've been sitting for a while. Let's take a walk around the park.
Yeah. I bred and then just sat here. Now my stomach's making noises.
Good. Walking is also a form of exercise. Walking is actually the 4th thing you should do every day this summer.
Even walking counts as a lesson, Uncle?
Makes sense. Staying at home watching TV all day makes you feel sluggish.
Exactly. Our bodies are like bicycles. If you don't pedal, the wheels won't turn, you'll feel tired, heavy, and cranky.
And my bike must have flat tires by now.
I usually jog with my dad in the morning. Just 1 lap wakes me right up.
That's great. What about you, Ricky Raccoon? What kind of movement do you enjoy?
I like jumping rope, but I always trip. And soccer, but I'm scared of falling.
What matters is finding something fun and right for you. You don't have to be great at it, just keep at it. Jumping rope, walking, yoga, biking, even mopping the floor counts as moving your body.
Let's name our morning time, Happy Body Hour. Every morning, we pick 1 fun activity to get moving.
I'll play soccer with my dad, then tag with my little brother. That's good exercise. For eating more ice cream later.
That's the spirit of summer. Fun, strong, and no rust.
Oh no! I promised Mom I'd be home before 9 to watch my little brother, and I totally forgot.
What time is it now?
Almost 9 already. Oh no, if Mom finds out, I'm doomed.
Don't worry, if you go now, you'll still make it. But remember, this is the 5th lesson of summer, keep your promises.
Even small promises matter. I once told my sister I'd read her a story before bed, but I was too tired and forgot. She cried the whole night.
When we make a promise, even something small like, I'll fold my blanket today, or, I won't watch too much TV, someone is trusting us. And trust is precious. Once it's lost, it's hard to get back.
One time, I promised to clean up my toys but didn't. My little brother got mad and wouldn't let me borrow his toys anymore.
Well, there goes Ricky's trust score in the toy world.
It's easier to say than to do. But a trustworthy person is someone who always tries to do what they said, even the little things.
I'm going home right now. I don't want Mom to worry or my brother to be sad.
I'm heading home too. I promised Dad I'd cook lunch today.
Well done, kids. You two are growing up a little more every day. Don't forget to follow the summer rules Uncle told you about. See you next week, kids.
Goodbye, Uncle Bear.
Uncle Bear.
If you found this video helpful, give us a like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English Essentials for more lessons. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like next. See you in the next video.